Here, Insadong North Buk Insa Madang. From here to the south. This street is the old street for antique shops, and many other Korean traditional things are here. This is one of the famous tourist attractions in Seoul city. Here on my right hand side, a lot of gift souvenirs for travelers. All the books and antique shops here. And hanbok, all the traditional Korean clothes. If you wear this hanbok, you can have a free pass to Gyeongbokgung Palace and Changdeokgung Palace. Here again, hanbok shop.
여기까지 와야 인사동 갔다 오는 거야.
All kinds of souvenirs, from small badges to clothes, bags. 안녕 인사동, hello 인사동. Jaturi Market, Nine Tree Hotel. Small gift shops. Korean traditional mask. Even drawings, paintings here. Insadong Tourist Information Center on my right hand side.